Good morning, traders. This is Brad Matheny. Today is May 14th, 2023, Sunday. I just got done posting up the new Expert Growth membership content, and boy, oh boy, do I have some exciting news for all of you. If you are a member of Expert Growth for less than $55 a month, basically, you not only get all of my detailed research regarding the U.S. stock markets, global markets, ETFs, hot stock trades setting up, ETF hot lists, SPY, NASDAQ, gold, silver, and other investor trader related data every weekend, literally 2+ hours worth of video recordings, maybe even more because I'm kind of wordy, and all of my proprietary research for less than $55 a month. You can start your 60-day trial for $34.99. And I've just started doing live webinars to help my members and open training sessions, let you guys ask questions, figure out what I do, kind of play along. I keep a lot of my stuff proprietary, but I'm here to help you. Now, I will highlight that we have an incredible opportunity here. Let me move this page a little bit. We have an incredible opportunity here setting up in the markets going forward. This is a NASDAQ up top, SPY down below. It is just a massive, let me go ahead and move it to weekly and drag this over here. Auto scale. We have a massive flagging formation setting up that I believe is going to move into a triple flagging formation. I'm blocking the right side of this because I want this only to be seen by members. But we have a massive volatility event taking place over the next 5 to 6 weeks plus. We are going to see the markets attempt to resettle and revalue assets over the next 12 to 15 months heading into the presidential election. There are 3 key opportunity zones setting up over the next 24 to 36 months to allow traders and investors to really profit from the consolidation and rotation that's going to take place over the next 2+ years. And there's a massive opportunity for gold traders and metals traders if you're paying attention. I cannot strengthen or highlight enough the importance of having critical knowledge related to price structure, price formation, Fibonacci price structure, and what actually is taking place in these markets. I can't show you the member-only stuff, but I can leave this here to tell you that we are entering into a 24 to 36 month consolidation zone, which is going to be very, very dangerous for traders and investors if you don't know what to do. There's massive opportunity in gold and silver and platinum, and there's massive opportunities in the NDX and the SPY if you know what is coming and if you understand the opportunities as they play out. I wanted to highlight the Expert Growth membership area. Now let me move this back and give you guys an idea of what actually happens in the Expert Growth member area. I am going to have to zoom this in a little bit. So in the Expert Growth member area, you not only get all of these resources, the video analysis, the custom indexes, the TT scanner hot list, the SPY cycle patterns, the weekly hot stock picks, and the MENT live trades, which is a bunch of algos running, generating, I've shown this before, but generating all types of stock picks for you. So here's the bullish 3X ETFs. Here's what I like to follow is pure alpha. These are perfect setups. So we have a FAS pure alpha trade from just a couple days ago, minus 2%. We have an FNGU trade from just 4+ days ago. It's up 9.22%. We have an oil trade from about a week old. It's up 6.49. These are daily algos. We have a TNA trade from about a week ago. It's off 5%. And we have a TQQQ long trade that's up 0.92%. SOXL got out of a trade on 5-1. This is an exit trade. It's still up here. Notice we took half of our profit here, so it was a pretty good trade. And then we have URTY. We have a trade from about a week ago that's off 5.22%. We also have, under the lists, you have the 3X ETFs, the 2X ETFs, stock list. You have the MENT hot list, which is the core ETFs, the core inverse, the value stocks, NASDAQ 100, Reddit hot stocks, hot list, which is a series of 113, I believe, hot stocks for trading. You have futures, you have currencies. Each one of these run in different models. So we'll come in here, we'll look at the core ETFs. Standard modeling is just in and out of trades, targeting the best trades that we can find. This is all trades. This is standard in and out. Rotational modeling is always in, meaning we're always in a trade. So if you want to know what the algos are telling us is general trending, you can click on rotational modeling, and this is always going to tell you whether the system is long or short. So right now, MJ, we got a long trade on 5-8. This is a daily trade. It's off a little bit. PHO is long. Some of these, if they rotate early, you can get a little. So these are just a couple days old. And they can have a little drawdown when the trend changes. So we'll come down to the bottom here. We'll find some older triggers. 4-6, 310, up 8%. 4-5, up 0.69. IYR 223, up 4.71. IYT 313, off 1.48. IYZ 2.04. OIH up 14% from a trigger back in February. PBJ is up 3.3% from a trigger near the end of March. PBW is up 13% from a trigger near the end of February. We've got QLD, a trigger near the middle of March, up 9.4%. QQQ, trigger near the middle of March, up 5.28%. SLV, long from 317, up 6.93%. You see, these are here for you to be able to access. And again, you have the standard model, you have the rotational model, then you have exclusively the newest triggers. So when you click here, you're going to see the newest triggers that have been generated. These are triggers over the last 7 to 10 plus days. And then you have what I love is the pure alpha. Pure alpha are trades that essentially align very cleanly. And this is the only one we have. MJ, it's off 7.93%. Now remember, we got in at 3.53. We're at 3.25 right now. Understand that this is just what happens. Some stocks have bigger volatility. So you can use the short-term rank here and the intermediate term rank here to determine potential volatility. What would how you would do it is very simple. You look at this number, you look at this number, you add them together, divide by 2, puts you at about 25%. So you have essentially volatility in the 20 to 25% range on this particular stock. If I come back and go to another one, IGE, you just ignore the negatives here, and you see you got a 7 to 10.5. You've got basically a volatility range of typically about 6.5 to 7 to, I would say, 9% looking at these two numbers. You look over here, you've got 10 to 14 roughly, so that would put me at somewhere between 9% and 13% volatility range. MJ is the same number. PHO, 8.3 to 11.54. This puts us at probably somewhere around 7.5 to maybe 10 on a volatility range. So understand these are all here for you with regards to the actual setups. And again, sometimes you can get some really great setups. Apple just generated a new long trigger. Adobe a week ago generated a short trigger. We're off 1.34. Amazon generated a long trigger just on Thursday, up 1.02%. AR generated a short trigger. We're off about a week ago, off 2.63%. DWAC generated a long trigger 2 days ago, up 1.69%. You can see how these work. And remember, we're looking for the best trade setups using the pure alpha technology. So not only do you get the MENT live trades, all of the hot lists, all of the other researches. You get my detailed posts. So here's my newest post. Not going to show it to you, but it is very cleanly set up. And again, I've highlighted for investors, you have a trader section, you have an investor section, and you have a golden medals section. You get all of this for under the Expert Growth membership for about $55 a month. Or you can sign up on my website for the 60-day trial for $34.99. What's really important is the update that I've just put up, mapping out opportunity zones and trends for 2023 all the way to 2025. My research this week is so critically important for everyone because it maps out the next 2.5 to 3 years of price trends and opportunity. Now, obviously, a lot can go on in the next 2.5 to 3 years, but I believe this research is so important. That's why I'm creating this video, urging you to come try my Expert Growth, see what my research is, learn and experience for the next 60 plus days what I do and how I can help you. Remember, it's only $35. So it breaks down to, do the math right, about $17 a month for the next 2 months for you to learn and follow and play along and see if this is really going to help you or not. So I'm trying to help as many traders and investors navigate the next 3 to 10 plus years, which I believe are going to be critical for everyone to learn to protect and manage and grow your wealth efficiently. If you've been listening to all the other people out there and you don't think you're getting the right research, then come give this a try. I urge you to come give this a try. It's real simple. Go to MENT.com. That's my website, MENT.com. Come down here just below this big blue banner is the Start Today Expert Growth 60-day trial. Click here, sign up. You can pay with a credit card. You can pay with PayPal. It's $34.99 to get started for 60 days, and then I start billing you a regular monthly rate after that of about $56 a month roughly. Okay, today is the day to get started and to learn how to improve your trading strategy. You get all of this under the Expert Growth membership, and remember, I've been studying and researching the markets for more than 35 years. So I believe you're going to find some real value in what I do. Not only am I going to be able to help you grow your wealth, but I'm going to be able to help you protect it efficiently. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Talk to you later.